ever opened a chart and thought, what is this mess? No trend, no breakout, just pure sideways chaos. That's the ringing market, where most traders get trapped, stopped out, and frustrated. But what if I told you there is a TradingView tool that can automatically mark support and resistance zones with zero guesswork, even in these ugly, choppy markets? Whether you trade Forex, crypto, or stocks, this tool can literally save you from bad trades by showing you exactly where price is likely to bounce or reject in real time. And no, it's not some paid indicator or secret script. I'm going to show you how to use this tool step by step on a live chart and how to combine it with smart entries so you stop bleeding in range bound conditions. Let's get into it. That tool is regression trend. You will find this tool here. Now this one, regression trend. Look, here is a ringing market. We can see here is a ringing market. No momentum candlesticks or no breakouts. All we need to select the regression trend tool and put it here, and this tool will mark the resistance and support areas automatically. Look, here is a clear breakout, and we're going to place a short position here. Our stop loss is the top of the recent high, and our profit is going to be the most demanded area. I'm in this area. Look what's going to happen. We won this trade beautifully, and our risk reward ratio was 2.35. Look, here is a long ringing market. No breakout, no swing high, no swing low. It's a sideways market, and traders are going to trapped here. All you need to do, select the regression trend tool and place it here, and this tool showed here is a breakout. Let's put a buy opportunity here. Our stop loss is the most recent low, and our profit and our risk reward ratio is 2.41. Yeah, we own this trade beautifully. Look, here is a one more sideways market. We're going to put this regression tool from here to here, and here is a breakout of this regression trend. We're going to place a buy trade here. Our stop loss will be at the bottom of this strong momentum candle, and our risk reward ratio will be 2.5. Yeah, it's 2.39 now, almost 2.4. Look what's going to happen. Finally, we won this trade too. And that's the magical strategy I use for my trades. Hope you understand the whole strategy, and I suggest you to backtest this strategy as well as you can before take an entry in your live trading account. And feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.